Roosters are very territorial. I have 5 roosters, and in this video you will see Mutter, which is Donnie's rooster. He's the orange and green one, and Ricky, who is the black one with the white speckles. They had this chase going on, and I just thought it was the funniest thing I'd ever seen roosters do. Take a gander. I know you're getting annoyed. I'm sorry. This is just too funny. Oh, now Mutter's on the chase. I guess Mutter won. Thank you for joining me in this quick little video. I just thought I had to share it. Anyways, subscribe, like, and share. Give me a thumbs up. Have a great evening, morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Take care.